I'm Jitendra Chopra, President of Aluminium Extrusion Manufacturers Association of India, LMI. In our association, out of 500 extrusion manufacturers across the India, 250 are our member on our board. And we are going to organize an exhibition called Alumex India 2025 from 10th September to 13th September at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, hall number 6. And we are here for the press meet to meet you all press friends after we have completed the press meet in Ahmedabad, in Mumbai, in Kolkata and in Hyderabad. Now this is the 5th in Bengaluru, and the next is in Chennai on tomorrow, and after that we are going to Jaipur on 23rd and 26th we are at Cochin, and the mega press meet at New Delhi on 4th or 5th September. And we are not here to promote our exhibition only. We came here to show our pain for the MSME industry, which we are having the pains from the huge import in India, cheap import from the other countries due to FTA, the government policies which are not friendly to the MSME, not friendly to business. We need to readdress our industrial policies. Other way we can say, directly or indirectly, we are helping other countries like China, like FTA, ASEAN countries, like Dubai, everywhere to promote their industries, and we are harming our own MSME, our own industry due to these policy of FTA, due to the policies of the importing the material, the definitions of the import material, HSN code misuse. They are all not illegal doing by our Indian businessmen. They are all legal, but government is not knowing that what is happening and why the Indian MSMEs suffers from this huge import into India. In the aluminum is aluminum, not only the aluminum, all metals are the future of the world for the GDP growth. Without metal, you don't have anything in your life. In human being, having touching the metal product in every 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So you need to see importance of metal industry. You look to the metal industry, and furthermore, this is not for the metal industry, aluminum. You need to look at the downstream industry. Further, आप उसके finished products को भी आपको देखना होगा. What we are making, we are helping 12 or 15 other industries to grow with us. If you are ordering a window or a door or furniture, not only aluminum or aluminum extrusion product, not only our product is using. There is a glass, there is a rubber, there is a bracket, there is a lock, there is a bearing, there is a hardware, there is a surface coating, anodizing, powder coating, chemicals, powder coating, powder industry, transportation industry, packaging industry. How many industries are growing with us? You are not seeing the importance of the MSME, downstream industry products. You need to see these important sectors, you need to see this important MSME industry, and need to address the problems and pain of the MSME industry, especially our aluminum extrusion industries.
I am Ankur Agarwal, General Secretary, LMI. I have been asked about a simple brief on the new exhibition which is coming up, Alumex India 2025. This is not only the exhibition to showcase the product. This exhibition we are doing to showcase our capabilities. What are the misconceptions Indian consumers or foreign consumers carry with them? We want to basically eliminate all those misconceptions. Apart from the exhibitions, we are coming up with the conferences also, the technical sessions also, panel discussions also. What are the pain points of our industry? We will discuss this. We are inviting all the big secretaries and joint secretaries of all the ministries to this exhibition, so that we can tell them, we can have a fruitful discussion with them. So this is, as I said earlier, this is not about exhibiting only, it's about making India a manufacturing powerhouse hub for the world. This aluminum exhibition, Alumex India 2025, this is going to happen from 10th September to 13th September in hall number 6 in Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan, Delhi. And we would like to invite each one of you to come and witness this change with us.